Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a screen lock on your Android phone to protect your data and keep your phone secure. First, open your Settings app. Now scroll down to Security or Security and Privacy, depending on your phone model. Now tap on Screen Lock or Screen Lock type. And then here, choose the kind of lock you want. You can even use fingerprint or face unlock if your phone supports it. Now follow the on-screen steps to set your pattern, PIN or password. For now, I will go with pattern. Let me just set a screen lock. Tap next, redo it in order to confirm. Tap confirm. For biometrics like fingerprints, you'll be asked to scan your finger multiple times until it's registered. And that's it. Your screen lock is now active. The next time you unlock your phone, it will ask for your PIN, pattern, or fingerprint. Keep your data safe and secure. If this video helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick Android tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.